This is the Merrill R-40 brass valve body for the Merrill R-6000 series frostproof yard hydrants. A couple things to notice about this valve body is on this end it will be hexed with those internal female threads. And then coming down to this end, you've just got the rounded end with the female threads as well. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements, starting with a total length. That's going to measure right at about 3¼ inches. Then we'll get an outer diameter down here at that hexed end. That'll measure right at 1 3/4 inches. And then an inner diameter at the threads, measuring right at 1 1/4 inches. Then coming down to that rounded side, we'll get an outer and inner diameter as well. So starting with the outer diameter, so also measuring right up just above 1 3/4 inches. And then the inner diameter measuring from the threads, measuring right at 1 1/4 inches as well. Yes, once again this is the Merrill R-40 brass valve body.